Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you Crystal Skies Hand Dyed, and this is for the month of June, and it's Wizards and Witches. So let us take a look. This time we're going to go with what we got in the bag. I usually go with the yarn first, but I'm going to go with the bag. Let's switch it up. So we got 2 Werther's Originals, and then we got a lemon ginger tea, which is really good tea, and then we got a pygmy puff. We got a pygmy puff, and it says to fluff it up with our hair dryer, but we got a pygmy puff, guys. That is adorable. That's adorable. This is Crystal Skies Hand Dyed. Come on, come in. You can find her on Etsy, so check her out. She does beautiful yarns. And now onto the yarn. Let's check it out. Now I always get mine on worsted, but she does offer other bases. So if you didn't want worsted yarn, you can always get it in a different base like DK or fingering. But I always get mine in worsted. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. It is called Pygmy Puff. Check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love that. That is called Pygmy Puff. And check it out. The puff matches it. It matches. It's all matchy-matchy. It's all matchy-matchy. Oh, that's adorbs. I love this. Oh, I can't wait to work this one up. That is all my colors. Look at that. Nice and brightly colored. Look at the oranges. Makes me think of Lala. That would be Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming. That's what it makes me think of there. Well, it makes me think of my Lala. Look at this. It matches. It's all matchy-matchy. Oh, that's beautiful. So we got the yarn. We got the Pygmy Puff. We got the tea. And we got some Werther's. Oh, well worth it, guys. Well worth it. Absolutely love this subscription. You got to go check out Crystal Skies Hand Dyed. They are amazing. Love them. They're on YouTube. Absolutely love them. So hurry, run, don't walk. Check out Crystal Skies Hand Dyed. They are awesome. So hurry and check them out. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.